Hello once again, people of the YouTube. Car Crash back here with another video, and this time I'm going to test out my bone stock TRX4 in the snow. So hopefully this will do better than what I did inside. Alright, so bit of a change of plans for me today, because my brother came into my room before, right after I just filmed the intro to this video, and asked me if I can go remake a movie scene for him for a homework project. And one thing led to another. Now it's dark outside. Or too dark to film for me right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you my rig. Then I'm going to film another video to upload tonight instead. So I can get, because the plan that I am now starting, so I'm going to try and do at least 2 or 3 videos a week. But yeah. Okay, so let me show you my rig. So this is the TRX4 kit version. So unassembled kit. So I just have the snow tires on them right now. Then I have no rear bumper because with the body on, it looks better like that than with the stock bumper, and eventually I'll get like a Bronco bumper, something. But so all the stuff I have in this right now is just all the stock stuff for the TRX4, except for the steering servo, which is a metal geared EcoPower waterproof servo. It's metal geared. It actually works really well. And the battery I use is not a LiPo, but is a 8.4 volt high power nickel metal battery. And yeah, so yes, I don't use LiPos just yet. And so I should be able to put a link to this down in the description below. I hope. I'll see if I can figure it out during editing tomorrow. And this, and hopefully that. I'll probably just do like Amazon. But yeah. So I'm gonna go film another video tonight, and I'll see you tomorrow.